Man, today's a very, very special day. A day I've been waiting for a very long time now. I've owned a Miata for at least 10 years now, and up until today, I've not had a hardtop for it. So I'm actually on my way now to pick up. I'm actually on my way now to pick up a lightweight hardtop from CCP Fab. I actually ordered it from Treasure Coast, but I have to go to CCP to pick it up. It's actually about 3.5 hours away from Jacksonville, so I'm on my way now to pick it up, and I should be there in a little less than 3 hours. But I need a hardtop if I want to do some rallycross, so I'm gonna go pick that up, and already got the window and hardware for it. Got that in the mail a couple of days ago. I just had to go pick up the shell and put it together one of these days. I'll update you when we get there. Alright, well, we're back in the garage now, and today's plan is to put the top together. I forget how much shipping is, but I just went and picked it up because I live a few hours away. But I'll show you how much it cost. I don't know how well this is picking up, but the base price was $11.60, and then I opted to get the street kit from Treasure Coast, and then added the seals, and then it upgraded to the black oxide bolts for another $25 for a grand total of $1,300. And so I guess one thing to be aware of is if you order your top from Treasure Coast and you opt to pick it up, you'll have to pick up the window and hardware from Treasure Coast, but then pick up the actual top from CCP. So yeah, after a bit of driving and figuring out who can ship what where, I finally have everything I need, so I'm going to get off the car and start putting it together. I'm guessing there's instructions in there, but Car Passion channel on YouTube has a pretty good write-up, so I'll re-watch part of that and try to follow along with that for now. So yeah, I'm gonna pull it off. The top is very dusty from sitting in their shop for a week because I was supposed to go get it last week, but we had that Hurricane Ian roll through, so I wasn't able to get it then. So I went yesterday and got it. And now I'm going to clean it up and then start putting it together. Now, here's the fun part. Okay. Show you what I'm working with here. So trying to just get these center holes, well, these center holes centered. So I got my tape measure. I'm just kind of measuring from where these little, I don't even know what these called, but these little flares where they go over the, where there should be, latches for OEM tops, but I'm just kind of measuring from where it pokes out a bit on one side to the other, and it's about 44 inches. And so this should be about 22. Great. Shout out Car Passion Homie once again with the light pro tip, so you can actually kind of see where the edge of the top meets the window. So this has to nudge up just a little bit. It's harder to tell on the bottom, but I think we'll be okay. Double checking some measurements before I start drilling. So that's about 22 and between 1/8 and 1/4, depending on kind of where I measure from this side. About the same spot. This one is also about 22 to 1/8 to 1/4. So I feel pretty good about that. Just throw a little more tape on there so it doesn't slide around while I'm trying to drill. Alright, well, I feel pretty good about that. So according to Car Passion, we gotta start here, go here, and then I guess kind of work our way out, throwing some bolts in as we go. Drill, drill, zip, 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 zip. Let's give it a shot. All right, well, here goes nothing. go in, it's secure, seems pretty straight, you don't have to re-drill anything, and all the holes, all the screws are in the top. And they all have plenty of meat on them, so I think we're pretty good. And I used a drill bit that's slightly smaller than the size of the screw. I think that worked out pretty well so that it'll bite into the Lexan and into the fiberglass. But now I'm going to pull this off and get the weather stripping in, and then just keep going. See kind of where I got the holes all the way around. Only a couple of them were kind of close to the edge, but all the rest seem pretty solid, pretty centered. But at least these ones are more towards the middle, so there's not going to be a lot of pressure on them. But let's put the weather stripping on there. Thought I had enough for 3 good coats, but I think we're only going to get like 2.5. Rally car. Just gonna peel up the edge so I can get this trim on. That way it doesn't get all banged up while putting this all back together. You can kind of dry fit it with the back of the tape so it doesn't stick. And you kind of feel where it catches and then pull the tape. That's kind of nice. And you can see how I fit it and then pull the tape. Pulling the tape makes it kind of want to pop off. It's clean. Alright, so I'm about to put the top in. I do want to take the soft top out, but I just don't have any room to put it right now, so I'm just going to put the top in, lightly bolted in, so it's not going to go anywhere. And then I'll come back one of these days and take this all out. But this here's just a bunch of junk in here. Some years worth of build up. Just want to take it out and clean it, and then save on the weight of the whole thing, because it's got a glass window, so it's kind of heavy. I'm gonna pick this thing up. Because taking the soft top off is not super quick and easy, so my body hurts. But man, check this out. Just gonna leave this protective film on too for a little bit, maybe even until I paint it. But it's on, it's assembled. Damn, it looks good. I still gotta put these on, but I did those later too. I guess that's pretty much the end of that now.